5 amazing benefits of oregano oil. Hello lovely YouTube family, welcome back to Healthy Drops. In today's video, we're going to talk about the 5 amazing benefits of oregano oil. Before we start, I would want you to hit that red subscribe button so that you never miss out on any of our videos. Oregano oil is a strong essential oil that is derived from the oregano plant. Its origins in Europe, but now it can be found all across the world. It has a lot of similarities to antibiotics since it can also treat and prevent different infections. Although it contains antibacterial components, it's also antiviral and antifungal. Also, if you use oregano oil, you are much less likely to have any negative side effects, unlike antibiotics, which could lead to adverse effects if used frequently. Bad gut health because of destroyed probiotic bacteria, poor vitamin absorption, and leaky gut syndrome could all be side effects of high antibiotic use. Benefits of oregano oil. Some of the frequent questions people ask are, what is oregano oil good for, or what does oil of oregano do? That's exactly what we're about to go into. There are numerous oregano oil benefits, but we are going to mention some of the most useful. Oregano oil works as a natural antibiotic. Since oregano contains carvacrol, it can have similar bacteria-fighting abilities that antibiotics have. This is one of the main oregano oil health benefits. The bacterium called Staphylococcus aureus is considered to be the most common cause of infection and illnesses such as food poisoning and various skin infections. A study that examined 14 mice tried to figure out whether or not oregano essential oil can improve their chances of survival. The result was amazing. 43% of the mice lived past 30 days, which is a nearly 50% survival rate compared to mice that received antibiotics. Researchers also suggest that oregano oil can be efficient in fighting bacteria that are resistant to antibiotics. Oregano oil can lower cholesterol. Numerous studies have proven that oregano oil can be beneficial for lowering cholesterol. In a study that included 48 people that had slightly higher cholesterol, the participants were given a diet they should follow and advice regarding lifestyle changes they should make to see if it impacts the cholesterol levels. 32 of the participants were also given 25 ml of oregano oil that they were supposed to take after every meal. After 3 months, the participants that were given oregano oil had lower LDL cholesterol and higher HDL cholesterol. LDL is the bad cholesterol, while HDL is the good cholesterol. These levels were much better compared to those who only followed diet and lifestyle advice. Oregano oil can relieve pain. When it comes to the benefits of the oil of oregano, relieving pain is one of the most frequent due to its painkiller properties. One study in mice examined standard painkillers and oregano oil essential oil to see if it has the abilities to relieve pain. The results found that oregano oil was very helpful in reducing pain in mice, and the effects were very similar to phenytophrin and morphine, which are some of the most popular painkillers. The painkiller properties were also mostly due to the carvacrol component. Similar studies examined how dose-dependent these results were and found that mice that were given more oregano extracts felt much less pain. Oregano oil and its use in treating athlete's foot. A study that focused on the combination of heat, salt, and oregano oil wanted to see if it was helpful against bacterial strains that caused the fungal infection known as athlete's foot. The researchers said that when thermotherapy was combined with oregano oil and salt, there were promising results in treating tinea pedis in a foot bath. 11 more essential oils were part of the experiment to see whether they helped fight bacteria that cause athlete's foot. The results concluded that oregano oil was by far the most powerful and successful. Oregano oil for hair. Oregano oil can also be good for your hair, maybe even better than rice water rinse. It has antibacterial properties that can help fight dandruff if you have problems with it. If you want to efficiently use it against dandruff, it's best to use it regularly for the best results. Also, due to the antioxidants that are present in oregano oil, you can get thick and shiny hair if you choose to apply it. It's recommended that you use it as a massaging oil onto the scalp for better blood circulation. Oregano oil for COVID. Ever since this pandemic started, a lot of people wondered if there were any oregano oil COVID benefits. Currently, there aren't any studies that suggest that oregano oil can help prevent or treat COVID. There aren't any supplements that have shown efficacy against COVID, unfortunately, but it's always good to have oregano oil in your daily diet because it can help boost your immune system and improve overall health, which is a major upside in case you get infected with COVID. That's all for today, folks. I hope you liked the video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so that you never miss any amazing videos from us.